Turning oil into a creamy sauce might seem like some kind of kitchen magic, but homemade mayonnaise is easy to whip up at home and it tastes so much better than the store-bought stuff. Mayo adds creaminess to all kinds of dishes, from potato salad to our foolproof vinaigrette. It's also the base for flavorful sauces like aioli and tartar sauce. The creamy texture of mayonnaise comes from simple science. Slowly and steadily incorporating oil into egg yolks, lemon juice, and mustard creates an emulsion, which is a suspension of fat droplets in liquid. The emulsion is helped along by lecithin, a natural emulsifier that's found in egg yolks. To make mayonnaise, we like to use a blender. It's easier than whisking by hand, and it ensures the sauce is silky smooth. Place 2 large egg yolks, 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of water, 1/4 teaspoon of DIJON mustard, 1/8 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in the bowl of the blender. Process the mixture for 10 seconds, scraping down the sides as you need. If you're uneasy about using raw eggs, you can substitute a pasteurized egg product like egg beaters, which works just fine. If you're using egg beaters, substitute 2 tablespoons for each egg yolk, or 1/4 cup total. The next item to consider is the oil. Since you're working with very few ingredients, the flavor of the oil will really come through. We like to use a neutral flavored oil in mayonnaise. Vegetable or regular olive oil are good choices. Extra virgin olive oil will overpower and taste really harsh. If you can't find regular olive oil, you can use a combination of equal parts extra virgin olive oil and vegetable oil. With the blender running, slowly add 3/4 cups of vegetable oil. It should be a slow but steady stream to create a stable emulsion. Adding too much oil too quickly will cause the emulsion to break, leaving you with a mixture that looks like scrambled eggs in a pool of oil. Keep processing for about 2 minutes until the mixture is smooth and combined. If the mayonnaise is too thick, just add a little more water to loosen it up. Don't forget to season the finished mayonnaise with salt and pepper. Homemade mayonnaise can be refrigerated for up to 3 days. You can spread it on your favorite sandwich, of course, or use it as a dip for French fries. Get creative with add-ins like herbs, sriracha, or your go-to hot sauce, and you'll find all sorts of ways to put your mayonnaise to work.